We begin by configuring our Next.js application to expose environment variables. Here in the next.config.js file, we have an env object where we specify which environment variables should be available in the browser. The key custom_env_ variable is set to the value of the environment variable with the same name from the Node.js environment. To load environment variables from a file, we leverage the dotenv package. By calling dotenv config and providing a specific file path, which includes the current node_env, dotenv reads and assigns these variables to the process env object in Node.js. We then log out the current environment and the value of our custom variable to confirm they are being loaded correctly. In the package.json file, we define different npm scripts that set the node_env environment variable accordingly before running Next.js commands. The dev script sets node_env to development for the development server. The build, staging and build scripts set it to staging and production respectively for different build environments. Lastly, the start script runs the production server with node_env set to production. Now, we have different env files for each environment. The env local file contains the environment variables for the local setup. Each variable defined here will only be applied when working on your machine locally. For instance, custom_env_ variable is set to local value in this file. Similarly, the env development file contains environment variables for the development stage. Whenever node_env is set to development, variables in this file will be used. As shown, custom_env_ variable is given the value development value. For the staging environment, we have the env staging file. It is used when node_env is set to staging, and in this file, our custom variable is assigned staging value. Staging usually mirrors the production environment as closely as possible to catch any errors before going live. Lastly, we have the env production file for the production environment. When deploying your application, node_env will be set to production, and the variables from this file will be active. Here we have the production value set to production value for the custom_env_ variable environment variable, which will be used in your live application.